Snoring is the hoarse or harsh sound that occurs when airflow through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. As air struggles to pass, the relaxed tissues in the throat vibrate, creating the familiar noise. While often harmless and even amusing, snoring can disrupt sleep for both the snorer and anyone nearby. It may be triggered by factors like nasal congestion, obesity, alcohol consumption, or sleeping position. In some cases, it signals a more serious condition, such as sleep apnea, which interrupts breathing.